my name is Bradley. I'm a podiatrist based in Hywel Health Board. Very, very tough, but exciting at the same time. Sort of implementing my skills and knowledge from university level, and I was quite eager really to sort of start as a pretty much band 5 podiatrist, and that was based in pretty much Ceredigion area. And taking my skills from basic clinical setting and implementing it into sort of the profession I've been aiming for since an early age really. A lot of pressure induced onto myself as well, coming from that clinical student environment and implementing everything into that professional sort of environment really. My dad's a podiatrist and has been since the year of '92. He sort of specialised within this health board himself and encouraged me to sort of start as a band 5 pretty much level. It was only until I was working in retail in London I sort of turned around last minute and sort of questioned myself on what else do I want to do. I sort of reached a certain level and didn't know what else to sort of do. So I spoke to my father and my father said, why don't you try podiatry? And I thought to myself at the age of 26, why didn't I think of that sooner? One of the best moves and decisions I've ever made at the time. So going from the retail industry into that sort of setting, it's a big difference, big difference, yeah. And hopefully within a few years' time I'd like to specialise in a specific bespoke area of podiatry, but at the same time cover the other sort of clinics as well, because I like to sort of have a variation with my rota itself. I'd encourage anyone to go down the world of podiatry in general. It's a very rewarding job, very rewarding job. And what I'm doing now is completely different to what I did previously in the past. And I wouldn't change it for the world. I'd encourage anyone to go down the world of podiatry, especially if they're looking for that sort of medical background in which they want to go down really and sort of progress. Yeah, it's good.